Good evening, friends. And when I say friends, I'm talking 30, 40, 50, 60 years friends who are all here. And to begin with, I would like to thank my friend Shatruji for coming and gracing this occasion and honoring by your presence. I would thank my old friend Jituji, who hasn't spoken a word, but I'm going to make you speak at least few words for me, and Guruji, just a few words. I would like you to say whatever you like. I would like you to say something. I'm sure people will like it.
I wish you a book. I did it my way. All the best. And I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Jituji. Gudu, would you like to say a few words? Because you've been quiet.
Good evening, everybody, and good evening, the handsome man. I still haven't read your book, but I'm going to read it very soon. And as you all watch the video, I would like to do some mistakes what you have done and be like you when I grow up like you. But I'll tell you one thing, his heart is like an octopus which has tentacles full of love. And I love him from that. Thank you. Thank you, Rajan.
Friends, after I could make Jituji say something and Guduji say something, I thank Shashi for saying so much about me and knowing me. We've known each other very well. And Shatruji for speaking so highly about me, one at a time. And Goli, you have been my friend for the last, I think, 40, 50 years. And we've had some fun times together, which I can't talk about. But we've had some fun times together. And most of all, I'd like to thank some of my old friends who've been with me. I think my oldest friend I'd like to start with is my friend from the first standard, my friends. From the first standard in school is here with me today, Mr. Stephen Pinto. Please give him a hand and please take a bow. Stephen. Stephen has been my chuddy buddy since first standard. He has been, of course, chairman of Citibank, chairman of Mashrak and all the other things, but that beside the point. He's been a friend. And he's been a friend in need. And when I started my business in Dubai, he was the chairman of Mashrak Bank. And he gave me a credit line without any leverage or without any collateral or mortgages. And I thank you for that, Stephen, for that help that you gave me when I started my life in Dubai. I honestly thank you. Asha, thank you so much for coming. My next friend whom I would like to thank is my old friend, Mr. Kiran Kapoor, who's from Kapoor Lamps. Kapoor, Kiran, would you like to please take a stand and bow? Kiran has flown in specially from Delhi today with his wife Veena. And Kiran and me, we have a journey together where we started Kapoor Lamps in Bombay at Kala Ghoda and Linking Road with my own mentor and friend, our mentor, Mr. Ram Batra. And Kiran is here today with me. And thank you, Kiran and Veena, for coming so much and blessing us. And we've had a long journey together. And I'm so happy and blessed that you've been with me. I would like to, another friend whom I can't stay without is my old friend, 50 years, Mr. Dinesh Nair. Mr. Dinesh Nair, please stand up and give him a round of applause. Mr. Dinesh Nair has been a 50-year-old friend with me, a guide, mentor, and so has Madhu. Madhu, thank you so much for everything. And he is I mean, for the last 3 days I've been here, 4 days. He has personally supervised everything that you see here. He's come here, stood, where will this be, where will that be? I mean, he's such a perfectionist and he's taking care of us like home. And Dinesh has been a friend besides in the garment business. He's the first man who gave me 1 crore of rupees to buy my building without any reason. He just called his accountant, he says, give him 1 crore, Rajan, go and buy the building, my ITL house which I had bought. I can never forget those gestures, you know. You've got to remember those people who've helped you during your journey. And Dinesh, thank you so much. And if it wasn't for you today, I wouldn't be standing here. I honestly agree. Pray for that. Thank you. I'd like to thank here so many people, like I have my old friend Kiran Motwani. Are you here in the audience somewhere? He left? Okay, Kiran belongs to my college friend, our Gunda group, and Vinod Mehra was there, my friend. We were together. But in place of that, I've got another friend of mine, Renu Chopra here. Renu, can you please take a stand and please come in forward and speak a few words. Renu Chopra is Mr. Ravi Chopra's wife, and Ravi has been a part of our gang in Bombay. Renu, can you please come here and speak a few words? I would like that. Come on, Renu. Renu, please come. Ravi was a close friend, and Renu has been really, I would call her a woman of substance. She has fought her way through, and she on her own has made a name for herself. Please give a big round of applause.
No, not at all. I feel so honored standing here next to you, and I feel so happy that you've asked me to represent Ravi, because you all go back so long, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. And Rajan is the best friend, best host. When you go to Dubai, he spoils you rotten. One day the Bentley came, one day the Rolls Royce came, and I said, Rajan, no more. In the hotel, they were wondering, who's this guy who's sending me all the cars? But you've been a great friend, and it's an honor to be here.
Thank you, Renu.
All
Thank
the
you
best.
so much for coming. Thank you. Round of applause. I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit of your time because you must be getting hungry, but I can't stay without honoring another friend of mine, Mr. Ketan Desai. Will you please come on stage? Mr. Ketan, please. Ketan has been a great friend. Ketan and Kanchan have been a great friend. Ketan, please come forward and say a few words. And Kanchan, thank you so much for coming. And those who don't know, Ketan Desai is a celebrity, and he's the son of Mr. Manmohan Desai. And he's been a great friend and brother. And thank you so much. But before you say something, I have to admit something. I'm very sorry about one thing. Your testimonial was written and typed and kept ready for printing. The printer just forgot to put your testimonial in. He printed everybody else's. And I got to know about it much later, but I was told that I said publicly I must apologize for that, and it will be repeated in the second edition, definitely.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajan Bhai, for calling me for this lovely function. And it's an honor to be here and sitting with such esteemed dignitaries. All I want to say is congratulations on your book launch. You truly have the blessings of your mother, and a very auspicious day today. And also, Sai Baba, your belief in Sai Baba, your lovely temple in Dubai. God bless you, Rajan Bhai, and many more endeavors like this.
Thank you, Ketan. Last but not least, I'd like to call Manju Ramanan, my author of my book. Ladies and gentlemen, give her a huge round of applause. She's the one who's written my book and has been persistent with me and tolerant with me. Manju Ramanan has taken 4 years. We've taken 4 years to write this book, and it's our. I'm honored and pleasure that you have borne with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Well, what can I say? I'm very honored to have met Mr. Rajan Lal and have written the book. I'm very honored to have written this book, and thank you, all of you. I saw Jeetuji read the book, and I've taken a picture because that's something that I'll keep dear. And he shared his story with me, and I'm very happy to have written this book over the last 4 years, over thousands of cups of chai. His family, his entire family, Rengin is here. All his staff looked after me so well. And I have had the honor to meet a man so brutally frank about all the mistakes of his life. And the book's pictures are about 100 years old, from 1924 to 2024. So that's an archival part of the book, which I feel as a film journalist we all should cherish and love. My fraternity is here. My mother has flown in from Baroda, and I'm very happy that she's here. And that's my table there. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and I truly cherish every moment of it. Thank you.
I've got so many friends here, over here sitting, some of my garment exporter friends, some of my other friends. One of my friends I can spot is Mr. Shailendra Singh, who's come here today especially. Shailendra, please, could you please stand up and come here and speak a few words bad about me? Thank you so much for coming, Shalu. And I would like to thank, last but not the least, Nikhil, my son, who's been a pillar of strength for me all these years during my days of bad health and ill health, which have been last 2.5, 3 years, and seen me through with my daughter-in-law, Nupur. I love you. Thank you so much. I'm missing my grandchildren, Anoki and Aniri, whom you left behind. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Rengin for being in my life. And thank you for being in my life. Thank you so much. I would like to thank all my friends from Dubai who have come, Mukesh Kochar, Sandeep Shah, Ajay Sonia, and everybody else, Mr. Sudhir Bora and Vanya, who've come all the way from Dubai for me. And I'm honored. And all my friends of the last 35, 40 years, thank you so much for coming, and without further ado, I'd like to release Poonamji. I am so happy that you're here, and I'm honored that you have come and blessed this occasion. I'm really honored. Anu, thank you so much for coming and being a friend always.